Okay, so I have my exterior sewn and I have the seams pinked. Next, we are going to insert the zipper. So I'm going to open it up, and you want the zipper gusset to be facing down. And I also, if you haven't already done so, you want to mark the centers so that our zipper is going to line up nicely. Okay, so like I said, the zipper has to be facing down, and you are just going to put it in like this. And you're going to match up the side or the top here. And I'm just clipping it in place. I'm going to do the other side here. Now, if I get over to this side, you'll notice there's quite a bit of space between this seam and the edge of this part of the gusset, and there's not a lot on this side. So I'm actually just going to adjust that so that it's even. So it could be that my centers are just slightly off. I want that to be even. And I like to pin from the middle out so that things don't shift around on me. Okay, just double check that I've got about the same amount of space in between there. Yes, and now I'm going to take this to the machine. I'm going to baste it down along the gusset. Okay, so I've got that one side lined up. Now, just to make sure that everything's going to match up nicely, I'm going to close the zipper and line it up so that everything lines up nicely on the other side. And then clip that into place and baste it down. So I've got that clipped, and now I'm just going to baste that down. Okay, so I have got this basted into place. Now I'm going to open up the zipper again. Now I am tucking that zipper tape into the bag.